On the 23rd of September 2024, an official delegation including Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya and also Transport Minister Sneow Bhalang Dhar, Chief Secretary D.P. Walang, Umroi MLA Damanbat Lamare, Umroi MDC R.R. Kharbuki, officials from the Union Ministry of Civil Aviation, state government representatives and staff from the Umroi Airport conducted a site survey for the airport's proposed expansion. Transport Minister Sneow Bhalang Dhar informed reporters that the state government would need an additional 22 acres of land, with 16 acres for airport expansion and 6 acres for a new parking bay. An additional 900 meters of runway is also required to accommodate larger aircrafts like the Airbus 320 and 321, which have a seating capacity of 180 passengers. Dhar added that a cabinet meeting on the 25th of September will discuss the expansion project, after which the detailed project report or DPR will be sent to the Ministry of Civil Aviation for approval. Dhar emphasized that the project aims to boost local employment opportunities, particularly for the state's youth.
Yes, we have a requirement, but nowadays this is why we are
Ini government gila lo serius apa kamu kena expand mereka. Tapi soal pergi report pergi pak ada yang tu kamu feasible. Dan mental aku belum mental nak yok bengga second report naga airport authority of India ke possibilities kadon. Tang badan katu pak ni bagi hamba ikan bagi sarkar India lembaga civil action ministry. Namar ba kat kum ke drawing ke plan kila layout apa ni kat kum bagi details sampai kita kalau imatkan long possibility ban expand kan port andai don kat tu ni bagi guidelines sebab ia keren berbagai union government kena mungkin extend kat tu ni kena mungkin proceed ahead expansion maka expansion kat kum ke survey boleh mentan bagi lapni port kadon galan expand senigalian the plus to hab acquire kum masakhan riu akar barka extra additional land but ndriwa karga parking bay juga airport kata itu mungkin dia kata next day after tomorrow will be having a cabinet, we will get clear fast in the cabinet, we will move ahead with the government of India. Karkum ga plan bagi ini mud bala daga don katukan ni guideline bahap exam ni habis request government India. Setelah exam ni kita inlala mantra lagi bi ada kuma badan di Malaysia di A320 pergi 321 dong nilai bah amga 320 ni tip ke basis Pak Prabowo more or less 321 bagal more politi talaga kat kum gusrib ki ni is possibility ja handai don stang katu ni baba don ki have exam have request government of India dan lagi exam kita kalau ba kala ahe berka cost dan kata kata lagi exam kita kum belum mentani terai kala ban long very genuine kangila ban expand mereka patukan sini. Mereka katkum ke plan ke bagi Pak Mentan, ada accept ke DCA, more or less 500 crore will be spent by the Airport Authority of India, more or less. And the land acquisition will be done by the state government, whatever land is required for the new expansion. Ini nama apa? Exact DPR ni parti bahkan urut komitmen hai, lerga urlogi, bun bagi ni. Mar whether direct employment or indirect employment minimum gniyo bela sa spang chaneng lai namamong tang airport ani kali kamai kamtam hargawan di flight bah tang talu sausan spa flight tak dan kam lepa driver hata minimum segi dukan sha dukan do segi cafe gitu gini tekjing ang nun neg sarkari ban penhe gani kami de katai to create employment handai khabar ban sukale kawan ban nam kam subulik sa gohti kumbujung lek bros kata mentah kat kum latest survey ni kuat man persang man awet di lomba nak kata daung have extend ni runway sakani geling berano lepas cakap ni secondary spa meter very much within our own land present land mukta satu. Lada kata satu kan lain hap odi digilong. Lada odi digilong bat kala apa sugi prahaja kurta. Kena ya tutan. Tengi persang ban avoid ban expand drone we design. Hani don katu ani bat ki don ga guideline ban hap don kam ka site kata kare don gi kat kum ga prosedur doki. Ya kita hap request ya government nya ban exam ya. Digila ban exam ya kita hai. Teka mundun kam odi digilong ban feasible ban land ga big aircraft teka by extending the runway to watch this site. To watch this Indonesian roadside.